In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a REDCap project. So there's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is the collaboration method, which basically allows you to add users. So you want to open your project, you want to go to user rights down here, bottom left under applications. And then here you can type in their email and add them with custom rights or assign them to a role over here, and they'll be popped up on the list here. And that way you've add them as a collaborator, okay? That's the first way. But the second one is kind of a transfer structure, so you can export and then import as XML. So what you want to do, you want to go to your home tab, then you want to click on other functionality, and then from here when you scroll down you can basically download metadata and data as an XML file, and then you can basically download this project XML file, and then you can have the collaborator create a new project using this file over here for themselves. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.